The body is no machine of chance, but the living shadow of your inner state. What the world calls disease is emotion made visible, and pain is only the offspring of tension. For in sleep or under anesthetic it vanishes, as rest dissolves all suffering. I will not hand you remedies. I will give you questions, and tonight I lay them upon you. The answer is not with position, nor with circumstance. The answer is in your own being. For the body can do nothing but proclaim the state you dare to occupy. The morning heralds your strength. Let me ask you, when you opened your eyes this morning, did your body feel light or heavy? Was your first thought one of vitality or of fatigue? As you rose from bed, did you rise with ease or drag yourself up with effort? Your words reveal your body's state. So I ask you, when you spoke of yourself today, did you say, I am well, or I feel unwell? In your conversations, did you express vigor or complaint? Did your words reflect a resilient self or a fragile one? Reactions uncover your health concept. Think with me when pain appeared. Did you think, this is serious, or this will pass? Did a small discomfort overwhelm you, or did you still feel steady? In that moment, did you regard yourself as whole or as afflicted? Illness unmasks the state you dwell in. Do you not see when weakness came, did you fall into despair or keep your balance? Did you condemn your body or turn again to wholeness? Did you yield to illness or stand in wellness? Your inner dialogue is your true medicine. I put it to you, when you were alone, did you affirm, I am healthy, or whisper, I am broken? Did your thoughts rehearse sickness or replay strength? In your inner speech, were you the restored one or the diminished one? Life brings forth only what you return to. I press you throughout this day. Did you come back to the state of health, or did you remain in fear and decline? Before sleep, will you once again embrace the idea, I am intact? Tonight you set the body you meet tomorrow. I demand of you, as you lie down, do you see yourself strong or frail? Do you end this day as one renewed or as one broken? Which image of yourself will you carry into dreams, the vital or the weak?